This is the GoPro HERO11, fitted with a new powerful image sensor that delivers the most expansive field of view ever on a GoPro out of the box. Crisp 5.3K video that's over 665% more resolution than 1080p. And up to 240 frames per second in 2.7K, the HERO11 is an action camera powerhouse. Matt with B&H here, and let's jump into HERO11's most notable features, of which there are plenty. HERO11 offers additional improvements to its already groundbreaking stabilization method with a new iteration, HyperSmooth 5.0. The internal processing in real time of your shaky footage will have people wondering whether or not you used a gimbal to film. And then there's Horizon Lock, which will keep the horizon level even if you spin the camera a full 360 degrees. A mix of the camera's gyroscope data, internal processing, and a little bit of wizardry make this feature a must-have for creators. Transferring photos and videos from the GoPro is simple with wireless upload via GoPro's Quick app, or you can use a lightning-fast USB-C cable. HERO11 features GoPro's 1720 mAh Enduro battery so that you can create uninterrupted. The Enduro battery boosts GoPro's performance all around, but especially in low temperatures. It also charges much faster and has more runtime. That means more time exploring. When it comes to waterproofing, without the housing, HERO11 is waterproof up to 33 feet so that you can continue your creative adventure out in the water. Lastly, HERO11's scratch-resistant lens takes away some of the worry that comes when you mix action sports and camera gear. Now let's talk about camera specifications, everyone's favorite part, especially my favorite, and HERO11's implementation of a new sensor means that we have exciting new improvements to both photo and video. Photos at up to 27 megapixels makes this a very capable camera for run and gun photographers and creators who need to take high-quality images with ease. On the video side, HERO11 has 10-bit 5.3K video resolution at up to 60 frames per second, making this an even more impressive breakthrough for video creators, filmmakers, vloggers, and hey, even drone operators. Other notable frame rates are 4K up to 120 frames per second and 2.7K up to 240 frames per second, which is 8 times slow motion. For those unfamiliar with 10-bit, which the HERO11 now shoots internally, this is an impressive advancement in overall image quality. 10-bit offers significantly more color depth, making it less prone to banding in the sky and other unwanted artifacts. Shutter speeds for photo include 1/8 of a second to 30 seconds, and for video, 1/30th of a second to 1/480th of a second. And for ISO and photo, 100 to 3200, and for video, 100 to 6400. HERO11 videos utilize an H.265 codec in an MP4 file. GoPro's HERO11 offers exciting improvements to its already famed line of action cameras, this time with better image quality, stabilization, and ease of use. What would you do with the HERO11? Let us know in the comments below. My name is Matt, and thanks for watching.